Hello, and welcome again to the NovaTime Technical Library. In today's lesson, we'll be discussing the scheduler module that's located within the NovaTime 4000 and 5000 application. As you can see, I'm already logged into the NovaTime 4000 application. To get to template schedules, I'm going to hover above scheduler and select template schedules. This will load up the template schedule page within NovaTime 4000. From within this page, we're going to focus on three areas: the template schedules, maintaining and inserting them, the calendar that is located directly below that, and also the tree that is on the left-hand side. As you can see, my database is configured to allow me to filter by two group values within NovaTime: location and department. This is configurable at the admin level, so if you're not seeing that and wish to have this enabled, please reach out to NovaTime Professional Services. Simply by clicking on $100 and a department of 100 shipping, this will reflect all active employees that are assigned to these values. In addition, you will notice there is a small checkbox to the right of everyone's name that is available on this page. This will be demonstrated further on in this lesson as how to schedule multiple people at one time for one particular shift. Let's turn our focus to the template section. In this section, we have save templates, add maintain templates, and insert templates. Let's first begin by clicking on add maintain templates. Once this is done, you'll notice you'll have the option to select the pay code, work hours, holidays. For this example, let's select 0 work hours. For department, which is just a group value that is configured of how I'm allocating my costs, I can select default and the hours will be allocated to the default assigned department for that employee, or I can choose to allocate those hours to a different department. In this example, let's choose 101 receiving. I'm going to give the template a start time, and I'm going to give the template an end time. I'm going to tell the system for scheduled hours that there's going to be a 30-minute meal. And as far as the time frame for the meal, this is just for reference. This has nothing to do with calculated hours or scheduled hours. I'm going to go ahead and hit save, and I'm going to continue adding templates that are commonly used for me. The important thing to note is the templates that we're creating are commonly used templates. These are ones that are going to be easily available for you to select and assign to one or many employees. So I'm going to go ahead and continue adding these, and I'll be back to show you how to insert these into the template design and move on to the next step. As you can see, I've added some templates already into the template area. What I'd like to do now is show you how you can go ahead and insert these templates that you've already created. So I'm going to go ahead and select Insert Templates. And what you'll notice is to the right of the templates or the Insert Template area, there's a More button. Select that. Every template that you've created will be available in these scroll areas: personal time off, sick leave, work hours. I'm going to go ahead and add sick hours because this is the one I've not added yet. Once this is added, I'm going to go ahead and click on Save Templates. This will complete the template setup for the user. Again, these are all commonly used shift and department allocated hours for this user. To add it to the in-person schedule, you'll notice Anthony Cushing is selected on the left-hand side. I'm going to go ahead and choose the shift that I want to apply. Once highlighted, I simply click on the date that you would like that schedule applied to, and you can move over to Wednesday. On Thursday, if you need a new shift for this employee, simply select the template and add it to this. You'll notice that there's chevron arrows to the right that you can copy to the next day, as well as there's a minus button that would allow you to remove that if needed. The red plus will show you all templates. Remember, the templates section above only will house 18 standard templates, but you can get to all your assigned templates by selecting that plus. The double chevron arrows will copy it to the entire week for that employee. There is sometimes a need for multiple schedules. There is a multiple button located to the left of Save Templates. So what I'm going to do is select that, and this allows me to highlight 2 schedules and apply it to a particular day. So now you'll notice on Wednesday, he's scheduled for 2 shifts. I'm going to go ahead and hit save for this employee, and this one employee is assigned Tuesday through Friday for the assigned schedule, and you'll notice that the schedule hours upon saving says he's scheduled for 38.5. If I wanted to apply this to multiple employees, I can simply select the check marks to the right of their name and hit save. Once this is done, this will apply this exact schedule to all employees that are checked. So if we go ahead and click on Mr. Davis, you'll see he has the same schedule. Mr. Flegg, he has the same schedule. And of course, Christopher, he was not checked, so that schedule does not apply to him. In step 3, we will be talking about how you can view multiple employees at the same time. And in step 2 of this lesson, we're going to go ahead and talk about the freeform scheduler that allows you to address certain exceptions that come up from time to time. So please join the next lesson, which is the freeform scheduler, and thank you for your time.